Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again. APC has done more for us. My Sufan Somalan Sardauna.
NSA supported Tinubu again. Auwal, novelty.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again.
On your mandate, Asuwaju on your mandate, we shall stand.
On your mandate, Bola on your mandate, we shall stand.
On your mandate, Asuwaju on your mandate, we shall stand.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again. APC has done more for us. My Sufan Somalan Sardauna. NSA supported Tinubu again.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again. APC has done more for us. My sponsor Malam Sardauna. NSA supported Tinubu again.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again. APC has done more for us. My Sufan Somalan Sardauna. NSA supported Tinubu again.
Hello my dear country people, let's report for Bola Tinubu again.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again.
Let's look at the good work he's doing and give him chance with Tinubu again.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again.
Bola Ahmed is a good leader with heart full of vision and plan.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again.
He leads with wisdom and compassion. Let's lift our voices, Tinubu again.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again.
The cities and villages, his hand of change has reached them, Tinubu again.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again.
Let's keep the hope and move together for brighter days with Tinubu again.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again.
He is governing with good intention,
Asuwaju,
developing nation,
Asuwaju,
economy expansion,
Asuwaju,
terrorist neutralization,
Asuwaju.
motivative motion. PDP, they throw confusion. You left ADC intention. Mr. President, Nigerians hero. Tinubu development arrow. His door is open to correct error. Enemies of Niger are failing. Them go soon start to push wheelbarrow. 227, no opposition. I assure hopeless ADC. Before 12, you will win the election. Nobody ever dares Tinubu and win. It no go happen ever.
Asuwaju,
He never misses targets. He
Asuwaju,
does everything perfect. He always presents a good result
Asuwaju,
and clearing our debts.
Asuwaju,
This so-called ADCs, or better still, Sabuwar affair.
Asuwaju,
You better be careful. This thing you are doing is harmful. Your selfish interest has shown you count up just to deceive people.
Asuwaju,
Hopeless ADCs,
Asuwaju,
clueless ADCs,
Asuwaju,
incompetent ADCs,
Asuwaju,
bunch of losers,
Asuwaju,
bad influencers.
Asuwaju.
All of them are liars.
Nigeria is in better hands.
Subsidy removal is for good.
Nigeria is in better hands.
To free up funds for development.
Nigeria is in better hands.
Unification of foreign exchange.
Nigeria is in better hands.
Just to boost investors' confidence.
Nigeria is in better hands.
And higher government revenues.
Nigeria is in better hands.
Before Asuwaju revenue was lower.
Nigeria is in better hands.
On tax reform bills we thank you.
Nigeria is in better hands.
It's a country's source of income.
Nigeria is in better hands.
Infrastructural development.
Nigeria is in better hands.
Major road projects nationwide.
Nigeria is in better hands.
2,700 kilometers of super highways.
Nigeria is in better hands.
440 ongoing road constructions, all for us.
Nigeria is in better hands.
And Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, 700 kilometers.
Asuwaju,
Mega road project,
Asuwaju,
boosting connectivity across southern Nigeria. Education and youth support, and national student program, access to higher education. Thousands of student beneficiaries. Increase in security funding. This is nation building.
Asuwaju,
Tackling terrorism, banditry and kidnapping.
Asuwaju,
Thank you for all the efforts, Mr. President Asuwaju. May you have a very good ending.
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
Motion of local government autonomy.
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
Wisdom of boosting economy.
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
Nigerians have given the testimony,
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
ensuring peace and harmony.
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
Well done job, Nigerian army,
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
and the troops that are fighting enemies.
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
Mr. President is for you and me.
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
NSA is equally for you and me.
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
Madam Nuhuribado is working with army.
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
NSA is succeeding his journey.
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
Sardaunan Adamawa attorney.
Asuwaju today, Tinubu tomorrow.
Security architecture specialist. Asuwaju loyalist. Madam Nuhuribado nationalist. Sardaunan Adamawa realist. He has extensive experience. Sometimes he can be journalist. We know people are dying, but then NSA is trying. Security challenges are reducing. We know his enemies are trying to sabotage the good work he's doing. NSA is fine, let them continue lying. Madam Nuhuribado is qualified, always pushing to finish bandits. NSA is not resting, consistently working.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again. APC has done more for us. My super Somalan Sardauna. NSA supported Tinubu again.
Asuwaju Bola Tinubu again. APC has done more for us. My sponsor, Madam Sardauna, NSA supported Tinubu again.